In this problem, we look at an application involving a mixture. A coffee house has 20 pounds of a coffee that sells for $4 per pound. How many pounds of a coffee that sells for $8 per pound should be mixed with the 20 pounds of $4 per pound coffee to obtain a blend that will sell for $5 per pound? And how much of the $5 per pound coffee is there to sell? When dealing with a mixture problem of this type, it's often helpful to start with a revenue equation. We want the total revenue that we would get from selling the coffee separately to be the same as the revenue we would obtain by selling the mixture. That is, we want no gain or loss in the revenue. So with our equation here, we have pounds times price of the $4 coffee plus pounds times price of the $8 coffee should equal pounds times price of the $5 coffee. The revenue of the $4 coffee plus the revenue of the $8 coffee should equal the revenue of the mixture. We're going to define a variable. We'll let x equal the number of pounds of the $8 per pound coffee. And then we're going to go ahead and plug in what we know into our equation. We are given that we're using 20 pounds of the $4 per pound coffee. So we have 20 times 4, it's $4 per pound. Plus, now for the $8 coffee, we don't know how many pounds we're supposed to mix. That's actually what we're trying to solve for. So we'll put in our variable x to represent the pounds of $8 per pound coffee. The price was $8 per pound. Now for the mixture, the total pounds will be the pounds from the $4 coffee plus the pounds from the $8 coffee. So we have 20 plus x as the total pounds. And the price of the mixture was $5 per pound. So now we can solve this equation for x. So we'll have 80 plus 8x is equal to, and on the right side we'll distribute, so we'll have 100 plus 5x. We're going to group the variable terms on one side and the constants on the other. So we'll go ahead and subtract 5x from both sides. So it'll give us 80 plus 3x is equal to 100. We'll subtract 80 from both sides. So we'll have 3x is equal to 20. Our last step will be to divide both sides by 3. We'll get x is equal to 20/3, or as a mixed number, we'd write 6 2/3 pounds. So we need to add 6 2/3 pounds of the $8 per pound coffee to the original 20 pounds of the $4 per pound coffee to make our mixture. We're also asked to find the total number of pounds of the mixture. We saw earlier in our equation that that would be 20 plus x. And we found x to be 6 2/3. So 20 plus 6 2/3 is 26 2/3 pounds. So we'll need 6 2/3 pounds of the $8 per pound coffee to combine with the 20 pounds of $4 per pound coffee to give us a total of 26 2/3 pounds that we'll sell at $5 per pound.